Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Master. In this video, I'm going to solve a Rubik's Cube and I will show how I solve it. Please like, share and subscribe and ask your friends to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how I solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. First, I will scramble it. Guys, now I have scrambled it. So this is a complete random scramble. Don't think it is a scramble which I planned on my own. So let's get started. First, I am previewing this cube. So let's get started. This is a timer for only cubers. This is a special timer. So start. So I've solved it. Look at all sides, it's cleanly solved. So I'm not a professional cuber. I will do only in sub 1 minute. So if you practice and if I practice, and I can do sub 10. And everyone watching this video, all the best for your next puzzle.